of the 12 vehicles on yesterday's run had to winch through an obstacle called Waterfall. Oh, brakes! Your spring is way out. That is what a split rim looks like. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Jeep Jamboree Day 2. We are just getting ready to head out here. Everybody is lining up just like they did yesterday. Today we are planning to go on the most difficult run, which is called Archer's Firebreak. We're in Tillamook, Oregon, which is right near the coast, directly west of Portland. Yeah, if you didn't watch the previous vlog of day 1, go check it out. Up here, I'll post a link. If you guys are watching this video and you don't have a super modified Jeep and you do want to go to Jeep Jamboree, there are tons of runs to go on
the highway
for stock Jeeps and everything in between. We're off to our air down spot, not too far off. I think it's about 20 miles, 30 miles, something like that. Gonna drop down into the single digits for air pressure because we need that traction in this wet, slick, rainy climate. And then we're gonna hit the trails. There was a sign that said Archer's Break when we came in. Archer's down here. So we gotta go through some FSR before we get there. And then we're on. These trails just kind of weave through the fire service roads, which is kind of cool. It's kind of a little bit of debris on the hood. We're driving along, all of a sudden a massive branch just fell out of the sky, or from the trees above. So this is the filter to get us into the waterfall obstacle, which is a big giant hill in front of it.
When you get here, you're going to have to give it a bump, and you have to keep your momentum. So the biggest thing I can give you is stay in it. Passenger, driver, bring it to me. All right, Jimmy, give me a bump. Give me a bump. Keep it coming, more. Faster. All right. Stop stopping. I don't hurt it. Driver. Yep. Straighten it out. Give me a bump. Keep it coming. Don't stop. Keep it coming. All right. Slow. Drop. All right, you're clear.
Oh, brakes!
All right, give it some gas. Keep it going.
Your spring is way out.
Popped up?
Yeah, like we might lose it.
You got front locker? Stop.
How's your steering, Mark? No steering? I think we need to pull them up. Look at that spring right on the drag link.
Winch is smoking.
Is it binding? It's not hot. Yeah. It's cold.
Alright, let's bring it on up then. Alright, go for it. Yeah, it's my favorite part. Good.
Just smoking them. That's the difference between lockers and no lockers.
Easy. He slid off.
Now lean over.
Yeah, it does. It shuts off after. This is called Rocky Uphill. It is a single black diamond. This is definitely, now I know what it's called, Rocky Uphill. Look at this. Smashy. You guys see that? That is what a split rim looks like. Who makes these? Fuel?
It's supposed to be indestructible.
Fuel wheels. I'll let you guys be the judge. So we claimed 2 Jeeps on that trail. Well, one's got to go because we cracked the upper track bar bracket, and the other one, as you saw with that rim, cracked right off, and we were able to put the spare on, but we've got a trailer coming to pick up this JK. They seem to have a whole bunch of awesome volunteers with trailers, and they're coming up with a trailer to grab them. I don't know how he's going to get home after that, but at least we can get back to the Jeep Jamboree. We're gonna go have a look at a obstacle called Can Opener. We're not allowed to run it in the event because the event's insurance will not allow us to. The camera really doesn't do it justice, but that is really steep, and then there's really big boulders right up at the top. Here's the filter here to get in. If you can't get past this, then you shouldn't be running the trail. What do you think? What do you guys think of this? I mean, this is buggy territory for sure. You can just see how big these boulders are. People standing on them. Not tiny. Nice winch point set up for getting you up if you're stuck. Well guys, I think that's gonna be a wrap for Jeep Jamboree. We are heading back to Air Up, then back to camp. They have an awesome, one of the schools is doing a charity car wash, which the Jeep is absolutely filthy, and I'm going to happily contribute to their fund to have them wash the Jeep off. Thanks so much to all the people that put this together, organized it. I know a ton of hours went into organizing this, and it went really well. Huge shout out to my wheeling crew that came with us, and Faye and Jenny and Mark and Chris, who really helped shoot a lot of this video. It is really hard to capture video while we are on the move so much, and they helped out a ton to make these vlogs with me. I really do appreciate that. If you could leave a like, it helps my videos get noticed more and help the channel grow, and really inspires me to keep making this type of content and videos for you guys. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, please, and don't miss any of my uploads. I do upload a new video every week, and they do go up on Saturday morning, so make sure you're not missing them. I will see you guys soon in the next upload.